In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew Netflix subscription. Let's get you back to streaming in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Netflix. Click the official Netflix website to make sure you're on the right page. On the home page, look for the Sign In button, usually at the top right. Click it to go to the login screen. Sign in with the account details you normally use. If you have multiple profiles on your account, don't worry, you're just signing into the account itself for now. Once you're signed in, you should see a welcome back message indicating Netflix recognizes your existing membership. That's your cue that you're in the right place to renew. Click next to continue. You'll be taken to the plan selection page. Here, choose the plan that fits your needs, whether you prefer a more budget-friendly option or higher video quality for multiple devices. Take a moment to review what each plan includes, like resolution and the number of screens. When you've picked your plan, click. Next, to move forward, you'll see a confirmation step. This is where Netflix summarizes what you're renewing and the price you'll be billed. Click next again to proceed. If anything doesn't look right, maybe you want to switch plans, use the edit option. Clicking edit lets you adjust your choice before you finalize anything. After reviewing and confirming your selection, continue to the payment screen. On the payment screen, select Digital Wallet. If you're using a mobile wallet like Gcash, choose that option. Enter your mobile wallet number carefully and double check for any typos. It needs to match the number registered to your wallet. Make sure you have sufficient balance or an active funding source linked to your wallet so the renewal goes through smoothly. Next, check the I agree box to accept the terms. This is important because it authorizes Netflix to process your payment and renew your subscription automatically according to your billing cycle. To wrap up, click Start Membership. Netflix will process the payment and you should see a confirmation that your membership is active again. Your billing date will typically reset to the day you renew, and you can start watching immediately. If you don't see Digital Wallet in your region, payment options can vary, so select the method available to you on that screen. And if a page doesn't load, refresh or try a different browser. That's it. Your Netflix subscription is renewed and ready to go. Enjoy your shows and movies, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.